guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you what I picked from Chanel. It's a very small items and I did not expect to buy anything, but we just were into the store and looking around and saw this and I bought it. So that's why I don't like to even go to the store. So here is a box. Look at how pretty is this. I love black and white. I am wearing black and white and the box is black and white. Look at how pretty is this. What's here? I have a receipt here and she put some perfume samples right here. And I have a very sweet essay. I know that a lot of people complain about Chanel essay. If you guys live in Dallas area, if you are looking for a nice essay from Chanel boutique, then let me know. I can share her information with you guys. So let's get opening to this box. Packed it so beautifully. And oops. And here is it. Ready, guys? So it comes in this beautiful velvet dust bag. Of course, you guys know that this is a bag, and I picked a bit tight here because there was some papers. Maybe that's the reason. It's now the time to reveal. Are you guys ready? I picked Chanel 19 wallet on chain. Look at this. How pretty is this color? Like a forest green, army green. Like this is the color. And it has, of course, two-tone hardware. Let me take this all out. Of course, two-tone hardware. Gold and like this silver. Silver goes like halfway and then there goes like a gold, and there is a strap here, and here is a leather on the strap. I like it. So that's why when you do the crossbody like this, it won't feel like cold on your shoulder. So Chanel CC logo is in silver hardware. Let me take this out. I love the color. I do not have any bag in this color. I love the bag and I love the two-tone hardware. And let me open this. I'm just trying to take all the papers out from the bag so that I can show you guys. So okay, here we go. This is a Chanel 19 wallet on chain. I do have a Chanel 19 bag. I will show you. This is a forest green color. I do not have any bag in this color. I love the two-tone hardware and I love how subtle and how pretty is this. I was thinking to buy the Prada bag, and I need something that I can go to run errands, like, you know, small bag, crossbody, something that I can just put few card in it and then just go. I have to go to pick up my baby and just go to run errands, like, you know, we have to go to like 100 times Target. So easy, so I can just put it on and off, and something that is very sturdy bag too. It says in the sticker, it says khaki color. For me, it's just like forest green color. And let's open and show you what's inside here. So there is a card, 6 card slot here. You can put your card and you can even put some cash here. And there is a small chain here. You can, if you have some cash, you can put it right here in the chain, and then there is another pocket right here. Diamond quilt in the back. There is no pocket in the back, and I think this is enough room to put your card and your, let me see my phone, and let me see. Oh yeah, my phone can fit perfectly there. See, it fits perfectly, and I love this. I'm looking for something small so I can just, like, and I told you guys that I can just go run errands, and something sturdy bag that has, like, you know, nice leather, and I can do this crossbody like this, and then I can just go. This is a lambskin. I love the gold tone. I love the silver and gold tone mixed metal. I love that. And I always like Chanel 19 bag. I have another one. I'll show you. And this is what I got it just to use for day-to-day life. And this is, I do not have any wallet on chain. I used to have one from Gucci, but I sold that one. This is how it looks. The length is perfect for me. I am 5'1", and I think this is a beautiful Chanel 19 wallet on chain bag. And there is a small zipper here that I don't think so you can put anything there. And the card, that's what I'm gonna use for. And you know guys, like I have not carried my bag. Almost I had a baby 11 months ago, and I have not used my bag since then, because when we go out, either I'm holding him or I'm pushing his stroller. Of course my husband helped me also, but I just feel like it's too much going on. Like, you know, if my husband is holding him and I want to hold him, then I don't want to take my bag off and put it in the stroller. Like, I just feel like it's too much. So I have not carried my purses, like, you know, that much anymore. But he's soon going to be 1 year old, and he's gonna be walking, so it might be a little bit easier for us not to, like, you know, hold him all the time. So that's why I decided to get this one. This is not big and bulky. It's gonna fit perfectly in the side. And let me show you how it is on me. I told you guys I'm 5'1". This is how it looks. Look at this. This is the perfect length for me, so I can easily open, and I can take my card or my phone or my car key. Let me show you my another Chanel 19. Here is my another Chanel 19. Did you see the difference? Like, this is really big and this is quite small. A lot of things can fit in this bag. I love this bag. Before my baby came, I used to carry all the time. Look at the difference here. I noticed that this one Chanel CC is in silver, and this one has gold. And then the chain right here, did you see that this one is silver and this one is in gold? So here is my two Chanel 19 bag. I love both of them. I cannot wait to use this bag. Maybe I can do the review on which size is better, but of course it's on the preference, right? I love this bag because I usually carry this bag like this, and it's so easy to grab and go. I told you that before my baby was born, I was carrying this bag every weekend. Whenever we go out, I was just grabbing this bag. So that's why when I saw this bag and I was trying to find something that I can just grab and go to pick up my baby and go to stores, and you know, after being a mom, you are always, you know, thinking about how you can make your life easier. So that's what I was looking for, something small, not bulky. And then when I saw this, I love the color, and it just feel like it's gonna be perfectly fit into my lifestyle right now. But I will update you on that, whether it's really fit into my lifestyle right now, or maybe I might not like it. I will update you on that. And definitely the metal, like this chain is a little bit heavier. If you don't like a little bit heavy chain, I don't think you're gonna like this bag. But it didn't bother me because I already had the other one, and that bag didn't bother me. So yeah, you can carry like this. Even you can go with, like, you know, night out with this bag. You can go dinner party, and it's a very small and cute bag. And I think this color is just so beautiful. I have lots of black bag, and adding some different color is a big thing for me because I always buy black bag, and I'm trying to be more, like, you know, go into the different colors bag. But yeah, this is kind of very nice color and perfect for fall. So here is my new bag. What you guys think about it? Do you guys fan of Chanel 19 or no? Or you think that I should have, like, picked Prada bag? I don't know, but yeah, I picked this Chanel 19 wallet on chain. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you guys like this video, and make sure you do thumbs up. And also, if you guys like unboxing, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, baby stuff, then do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube community. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.